Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 G6, a great-looking sedan with the personality of a sports car. The Pontiac G6 incorporates fine-tuned independent suspension, 219 horsepower V6, and 4-speed automatic transmission with driver shift control. Boasting an EPA-estimated 33 miles per gallon highway, the G6 is a stylish, fuel-efficient sedan that doesn't sacrifice amazing performance. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, one. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.